Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Minecraft crashing with mods. First, you have to go to CurseForge, this link right here, tap this one, and then you have to select or look for Minecraft. So basically, you can just look for the games below and then tap on Minecraft. Inside Minecraft mods, you have to look for a not enough crashes. You have to search this one right here. So not enough crashes, press enter or search. And then after that, you should see the result like this. And all you need to do is to click this one right here. Not enough crashes. Inside, you have to click or look for files. Tap on files right here. And then again, you have to look for Forge. Scroll down below. Select one file right here. And then tap the three dots. And then after that, you have to tap on download. Now you should see that it is now starting to download right here. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. After that, you have to simply move that file into the desktop as much as possible like this. Now go to the start menu and then look for run. Now you have to search for app data. And then after that, click OK, go to roaming and look for your Minecraft. Inside your Minecraft folder, there should be mods right here. Let's just say, for example, this is your Minecraft. You have a mods folder right here, and all you have to do is just simply drag the file inside the mods folder. After that, launch your Minecraft and see if this method works. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.